Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
Storms will build into the Carolinas today, tonight, and tomorrow, all due to a cold front that's off to the north. It's going to take a little while to get here. We do have mainly dry weather so far. A couple sprinkles are trying to pop up near the mountains, but overall, it'll be hours before you see any major rain. This morning through about midday, we're looking at rain potentially starting in the mountains first. A couple downpours and a couple rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out, but it won't move into the upstate until closer to late afternoon and early evening. Here it is, 7 o'clock at night, seeing just a sprinkle or two while the mountains get slammed with storms through the end of the day. Overnight, a lot more of this rain builds in as the front gets closer. Look at the major wet weather by about midnight to 1 a.m. It's likely to wake you up overnight. It's not a severe threat, which is good news, but downpours and some frequent lightning may have you up and out of bed in the middle of the overnight. A lot more rain comes tomorrow morning. We do have some isolated flood concerns through early Friday, but the rain should actually taper off Friday afternoon into the evening. You'll notice it actually clears out enough by Friday's sunset that you could actually see some clearer sky toward the end of the day. That leads your 4th of July weekend forecast looking really, really good. Saturday, 84 with sun. Sunday, 87 with sun. Even Monday, if you have the extra day off for the weekend, staying a little hotter, but mainly dry. Temperatures right now ahead of the rain that's coming sit in the 60s and low 70s. We do have a little bit of fog in North Carolina. Typical spot near Cullowhee, Silva, and Franklin dealing with that, with everyone else looking good and clear. Temperatures today get close to 90. Ahead of the rain, it'll be hot, it'll be humid, and the shower chance is closer to the evening. So it's going to be a breezy, hot day. North Carolina, you're looking at afternoon and evening rain and isolated storms. The high gets to just 83 with more clouds holding your temperatures back a bit. But with the heat, the humidity, and the rain potential, we're stuck at a 6 out of 10 today for the Carolina Sky Meter. You can expect this rating to go down tomorrow with more rain before it heads up again for the weekend. Now, as far as the tropics, Elsa has formed. It's a new tropical storm. It is over the Atlantic waters, but as it forms, it's expected to move its way over the Caribbean islands and eventually curving up toward Florida and possibly parts of the Gulf of Mexico. This is for the end of the weekend into early next week, almost Tuesday. By the time it makes its way to Florida, that could eventually bring us some rain toward the middle of next week. But until that point, not a big threat for the Carolinas. 89 with some showers today, heavier rain tonight. Then it's down to 80 degrees tomorrow as more rain comes through. The mountains stay in the 70s on Friday. It clears beautifully for the holiday weekend.